Hi everyone, it's Kelly here. It's 12:30 Tuesday night. I'm getting ready for bed, but I wanted to upload a video to show you some crafty things that I got from the rubber buggy. So I had picked out this stamp for my DT package, and then I can usually pick out paper and accessories to go with it. So I've been working on some of my scrapbooking items from last year, and I've been doing a lot of summer photos. I think it's the desire for summer to be here because I am so over this winter, but I said that before, so I'm not going to be redundant, but it's just so stinking cold here, and I'm so tired of it. I need some vitamin D. So I'm going with some friends tomorrow to a local store that just opened up, a thrift store, so I'm excited about that. I'm going to go ahead and show you the things that I got. The first stamp set that I'm tired. So pardon that I don't have my tripod, I'm not in my craft room, and this is my open box. So the stamp set actually is the Saturated Canary, and it has the little boy and little girl. It's called Puppy Love, and it actually does come with two stamps. I'm going to cut them apart separately. They are a really nice size. Like, they are, you know, close to the same size as the other Saturated Canary stamps. They're the same price, but you get two. And I recently had to make a little boy card, and I didn't have a lot of boy stamps, and I have to make a baby boy album. I think I'm going to use this image even though it's not a baby boy. I think it's really cute, and it's actually due this Saturday. The baby shower's this Saturday, and there is no way I'm going to get that done. So I'm going to just wrap up a couple of other things that I have for her, and then I'll give her the album later. And I'll show you guys in a video if I do get a chance to get that done. But this stamp set's really cute. I hope that you can see the detail. She has a little ponytail with a huge bow and braids. It's adorable. It's just really cute. So I did get that. And I'm excited about, like I said, this graphic 45. I did get the small 8x8 paper stack. That seems to work well for me. I don't always need the 12x12s. I'll flip through quickly. I'm sure you guys have seen this. But it has the note cards, double-sided. And these are really great. I'm sorry, it's just really dark. Beach rules, postcard by the sea, swim little fishy, mermaids wanted, you are my anchor. They're just darling. And the opposite side, I can't talk tonight either. Make a wish on a starfish, greetings, postcard, a smooth sea, never made a skilled sailor, gather seashells, and Pier 45. And then the rest of the papers, well, there's by the sea. There, you get 3 each. And it has a really pretty plaid background. And then here are some seashells and starfish, then a gingham print. Here's a blue and white background with sea life, and it has blue stripes. And then the trims here to cut apart with little note cards and stamps, postage stamps. Then the red dotted, sorry guys, this is hard to do with one hand and no tripod, anchors, red starfish paper. Here is more anchors, blue gingham, and a blue fishy print, and then those trims. So in order to scrap with that, I did get the 12x12 sticker sheet Nature Walk, and it has the Alfies and By the Sea accents, little tickets and whatnot, and then the little tiny cutouts and corners and such. So I did get that. One of the things that I did order that I wanted for a project that I have coming up is this amazing chevron by Nature Walk. It's the Songbird. Oh my gosh, this paper is just absolutely beautiful. It has some, almost looks like floral, but it's just paint splatters and distressing. The chevron, I just love this. And even on the back it has a beautiful song print. It's by Didi Catrone, 7 Dots Studio. And it says it's made in Poland. I just love this paper. So that was from the Rubber Buggy, and then I got 2 word sticker sheets because I can never think of words or sayings to go on my layouts. So I got this one, and there are, oh my goodness, like dozens of sayings. I'll let you look here. I don't know if you can see the sayings or not. Like, there are so many. They're just really, really nice sayings for family and friends, birthdays, even sympathy, you know, different things that I would put on a card for friends. And then this one is, that one was like a sticker sheet. This one's more of like a cutout, and these are all from the 7 Dots Studio as well. But these punch out, so they're more of a sort of die cut chipboard type. Well, not chipboard, but die cut. So they look like this. And I really like these too, because they're sort of, they're black, but they have a little bit of age to them. Actually, they look more like a chalk piece, like on a background of like a blackboard or something. But these are really adorable. And like I said, I could probably make these or cut these out of black cardstock and write on them myself. But it's nice just to have a sheet to go back to when you need something. So that's my goodies. That's all I have for you guys. No big hauls, no big purchases. I'm not right now. I'm on a purchasing sort of freeze, just because I want to sort of train myself to I don't even know, just kind of retraining my brain to use what I have. That's the right thing. To use what I have. So that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you're having a great week, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.